Put your finger down if you almost got kidnapped or scammed by someone who allegedly works at DSV company. Ne? Guys, ngizongixolela kumoya wami uphansi because sengiyagowa. Guys, so I actually applied kwenye company DSV company ne for general worker ne. So bebavulile vele. Sharp guys nga-apply even ngiyakhona ngithola ku-Google vele nga-apply mangiceda apply I think after an hour ngathola i-email ukuthi i-application yami successfully, so they will call me or either bangitshele bangisende mhlawumbe nge-SMS ukuthi interview nini, and vele indeed they did call bafona bangitshela ukuthi omunye uguy vele wafona, actually forgot his name but ungitshelile igama like ubaba futhi nizomuzwa naye ubaba lo guys hayi ubaba vela phone asho ukuthi hello ntando ukhuluma nomuntu onjena from company enjena ngicela ukuthi uze for interview ngelanga elinje yabo ngithi mina ay okay sharp ngesikhathi esinje, so ngimtshele vele umalume wami ukuthi hayazi ngibiziwe company enje and angiyazi, so angiyazi eCaptain Park, so ngicela ukuthi ungikhaphe vele avume vele sharp asho ukuthi ngo7 o'clock sibe sesiqedile sibe sesiphuma because nama ngiyazi yabo something guys like okay sharp 7 o'clock imuma malume wami we go siyakuleyo ndawo while sendleni sesofika vele ngicela umunye uguy ngithi mina no ngicela ukuthi ungifonele le number uyibuze ukuthi because lo putting ngikhohle igama lakhe, so ngicela ukuthi umbuze ukuthi sengila ngaphandle mangifika ngithi ngifuna bani, hayi angifonele vele ubhuti vele amfonele vele hayi abuye uguy kimi angitshela ukuthi hayi azini olwami ngicela ukuthi ugade la, ngicela ukuthi utshele umama wakho ukuthi angigade because lo muntu lo akathembisi. Ngithi mina why usho kanjalo, athi no akathembisi, lo muntu akafuna ukhipha igama lakhe ungitshela ukuthi kumele nimithane erenkini. So apparently uguy lo wase DSV company asimbize ngoSibusiso, so apparently uSibusiso ungihlakaniphele ke guys, singintshela ukuthi uSibusiso wenzeni. uSibusiso guys he knows what he's doing, uyayazi into ayenzayo. So ma phone ngimfonele vele ngimtshela ukuthi no I'm here, like ask him no wena, ngimtshela ukuthi no mina ngisengifikile la ngifike nobabami right, athi no wena you were supposed to come alone, kumele uze uye erenkini eCaptain Park kunemoto ethatha amantombazana, uthe futhi azange mathatha amantombazana but uthe abantu athi because ushilo ukuthi kunamantombazana ayi2 kunemoto ezothatha amantombazana ayi2 bese lapho inise kune warehouse guys, kune warehouse apparently akusiya DSV company i-warehouse yabo la thina mangifika kahle kahle mina was supposed to go erenkini, mangifika kule ranking ngithola imoto ngesikhathi esinje le moto izongithatha ngithathe nalabantu bese lapho sihamba saya kuleyo warehouse. After that kuleyo warehouse leyo siyathola interview, kuzoba nomlungu osilandelayo ngemoto, siya kuleyo warehouse leyo sothola interview and then after interview guys futhi azini angifuna ukukhuluma into eziningi ngizoyibonela nje ngizonsendela ivideo
zakho ukuthi wena uzolandela le transport ya company chicken chicken ngakuphi ngapha eCaptain Park futhi eCaptain Park.
So okay asho kanjalo ne. After interview guys, so apparently we're not supposed to go to DSV company, we're going there after the interview sesiyosana amaphepha. But my question is why not, like umuphi umsebenzi esohlangana eChicken Likin festival mall. Imagine I was supposed to go to a festival mall, so my uncle wathatha ifone wakhuluma naye wamtshela ukuthi okay sharp I'm on my way siza lapho. How okay masifika guys lapho funny enough okay akekho lapha ya right. How uguy makangekho lapha sesafuna ukuthi ayisesifikile nani athi hayi ngicela ukuthi ningimele neChicken Likin ngenane mall. Ithi lapha vele guys sesiyangena vele, how masingena vele hayi sihlale afone athi no I'm on my way. Apparently uyeza usendleleni uzothatha mina ukuyothatha abanye abantu bese lapho bahamba nabo, so makayothatha labantu uza nabo kimi maqedwe lapho sihamba sonke sakuleyo warehouse silandela umlungu. Apparently my parents were not supposed to be there, they were not supposed to be there, bokumele ngabe ngize ngiyi1 nje le ndaba ukuthi ngize nabantu iyamdina like iyamdina. Okay sharp asho malume wami uthi okay ay no problem sizokulinda phela. Athi okay I think after 2 hours because umalume wami bekasambambile vele ukuthi nje ufuna ukumtshela amasimba vele nambe ngithi ngifuna ukumtshela ukuthi lento yenzayo but ayikho, like literally ayikho. How guys silinde I think after an hour afone lo baba hayi nenza kanjani sengicedile asho ukuthi hayi samile la sicede ini athi I know yazini njengoba ngiza lapha endleleni niphethe imali ecold drink, athi imali ecold drink i1.5 athi malume wami hayi no siphethe athi hayi good I'm on my way. After 20 minutes afone ke futhi athi hayi yazini ngisince ulapho eChicken Likin ngicela ukuthi udlulele ePep uyofaka imali. Hawu kanjani manje athi malume wami okay sharp no problem ngizoyifaka. Hayi sizule sisitshela ukuthi uzofika guys kuphele 2 hours umfana akafikanga kodwa imali azange sesifake kube sifakile imali clearly bengeke eze afike and kube ngihambile ngaye kuleyo rank leyo clearly bebazongitshontsha Bekathule into le. So guys, please be aware. Like ngizonifakela yonke into guys, nibone guys, please be aware. Ngizofaka nama number wakhe nizobona nani. Ningayibambi le number le ni block. And funny enough ku Truecaller iveza ukuthi it's a DSV call. Like ku Truecaller ivela kanjalo. So I don't understand ukuthi kanjani kuba scam. Like how? And they know ukuthi very desperate for umsebenzi though. So bazozama by all means. And guys, I'm so pissed. Bye bye guys.
Hello good people, welcome to this channel. If you are new here, please make sure you do the right thing. You press that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. If you are returning, thank you so much for the continuous support. Good people, sibonga nje ukuthi umalume kaSisi abe khona la. I wonder if bekangekho umalume bekuzokwenzakalani shem ngomntana abantu. Good people, scammers are everywhere. So please be careful out there. Be extra careful. Cabanga nje uSisi kube kuthiwa umalume akhe bekangekho. Ngabe seka post manje kuma missing person, sekuyafuniswa ama social media, bamkidnaphile. Eyazi kodwa eSouth Africa Nkosi yami. Kodwa uNkulunkulu uyokuyizwa imthandazo yethu ngelinye ilanga. Because eSouth Africa kancane iba ngenye indlela ethusayo ku playground yegebengu kahle eSouth Africa. Yo, good people, please comment below, tell us what do you think about this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Kulungile, bye. See you on the next one.